Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see all the job recruitments that are currently going on. So we have also uploaded videos recently related to the off-campus drives of IBM, that is Associate Software Engineer, and also related to internships. So if you have not checked those videos, please make sure to check those as the hiring is currently going on. So as you are aware that this is the time of recession and many companies are not hiring. So it is very important that whatever the companies which are hiring, you should definitely go ahead and apply for it. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's start with the first job recruitment for today, which is from Barclays. So Barclays is hiring for UI developer, and let's see the details now. So the job role will be of UI developer and the location will be of Pune, and this is the job description that you are going to perform, what you are going to do. Please go ahead and give it a read. And this is the technical proficiencies that they are looking for, that is end-to-end software development lifecycle, software development methodologies like waterfall model, agile model, awareness of leading edge tools, techniques and services within IT, software development consisting of some of the following languages and technologies like framework. For framework they are looking for React and jQuery, HTML, CSS. For web development, databases they are looking for Oracle or DB2 or SQL or IMS DB. Web services, knowledge of WSDL, SOAP and REST. Application servers, WebSphere, WebLogic, JBoss, Tomcat. Version control softwares like ClearCase, SVN, CVS or Git. So if you know any of these, it will be a good add-on for you. Skills that will help you in this role are backend development frameworks like Spring MVC, Spring Boot, Hibernate. Backend development like programming languages like Java. So if you know all this, it will be a plus, but it is not mandatory that you should know. So this is a very good opportunity, as UI developer role is a very good role, and you definitely should apply for it. And in order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply for the job and you have to fill your details. Once you fill your details, you will get the further notifications on your email. Moving ahead to the next job recruitment, which is from Honeywell. So Honeywell is hiring for system engineer and the location will be Pune. So these are all the job responsibilities, and you should have bachelor's degree in engineering. If you have done your engineering, and if you have done your engineering from any branch, then you can apply for it, you are eligible for it. So definitely go ahead and apply for this job, as this is for system engineer and this is for freshers. So this might not go long, as the hiring is going on continuously. So as soon as you watch this video, please go ahead and apply for it. Don't wait for too long. So the next recruitment is from Salesforce. So Salesforce is hiring for intern associate member of technical staff, and the location will be Hyderabad and Bangalore. So the key responsibilities are work under the direction of software architects, work with your team members on timely and relevant projects, contribute to the suite of automated test and testing infrastructure, participate and contribute to product code reviews, participate in product and feature design. So these all are very good job roles that you have to do in this job. So it will be a very good add-on for your profile if you do the internship at Salesforce, and at that too, with all these responsibilities, you will get a very good knowledge. So basic requirements are obtaining a BE BTech and must be in penultimate year of degree in computer science or IT. So if you are in your final year, then you can apply for it. Understanding of OOPS, strong understanding of CS fundamentals, understanding of algorithm and data structures, excellent communication skills, ability to work in a fast-paced environment, ability to work and adapt quickly. So these are all the desired skills. So these are some basic skills only. So if you are in your final years, definitely go ahead and apply for it. And if you are from CSN IT branch. Moving ahead with the next job recruitment, which is from ICICI Bank. So ICICI is hiring for IT roles. So these are all the job descriptions. Please go ahead and give it a read. The educational requirements are MBA or engineering graduate, or MCA or equivalent qualifications from a recognized university or institution. So if you have done MBA, or if you have done your engineering from any branch, or if you have done your MCA, then you can apply for it. Experienced is required is up to 5 years of experience as a system analyst, business analyst, software developer, full stack developer, technology manager in any industry. Experience of technology in banking and financial services will be an added advantage. should have worked in technology evaluation and implementation, basic understanding of financial networks, should have basic knowledge of SaaS, PaaS, cloud infrastructure, data governance, data warehouse and data lake. So basically if you will get selected for this role, you will get a very good understanding of different roles and different cloud technologies. So locations are Hyderabad, Bangalore and Mumbai. So minimum experience they have mentioned is 0 years and maximum they have mentioned is 5 years. So if you are a fresher also, then you can apply for it. So application process is again very simple. You just have to click on apply here button and you have to fill your basic details. So if you get any doubts while filling the application, you can ask in the comment section and we will guide you through it. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel in order to receive such regular updates. Thanks for watching, and you will get all the job links in the description box. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.